Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited today because I have this double unboxing from KMM. These two are the bags that I bought before I moved to Pennsylvania, so it's kind of almost feel like a welcome gift to myself in a way. So this is kind of their limited edition bag that they did. They call it hair on hide, which is the cowhide that still have the hair and the fur pattern remain on the skin. So I'm really excited because with this kind of leather tote, you don't really know what kind of pattern of cowhide you get it. So hopefully I'm getting some interesting pattern for this tote. So let's get it open there. In case you are not familiar with KMM, they are a company that based in Atlanta, and all their bags are made in America. So if you like good quality full grain leather tote bag, you can definitely check out their website. So look like the first one is the mini, because the mini has a crossbody strap. So here's the strap. I'll take a look later. And here is the back. Wow. Very interesting. So this is, I guess, I'm not sure which side should be front, but this is the one side of it. Nice pattern with beautiful caramel color brown, and then on the other side is more white. Wow, this is really interesting. This is first time I have this kind of hair on cowhide kind of bag. So it's really soft. I remember seeing similar bag with another company. Is it made well? But this one, the cowhide feel much softer. It's not like pricky and kind of tacky to touch. It's actually kind of soft, really soft to touch. So even inside of it is this cowhide hair on hide leather. The pocket, the pattern of the pocket. This is really interesting. I'm really happy with what I get. It looks perfect. Hopefully it doesn't shake too much. Oh my god, I'm really excited. So beautiful. And then I have another one. So let's take a look at the other one that I ordered from them. So I had a glitch during filming this unboxing, so I just continue wherever it was left off, I guess. So this is the back tag that came with the regular classic size tote. Usually people put words on it, requested them to put words on it, but I usually just leave it blank, and maybe one day when I get inspired I will have them put on some wording or something. But for now, this is a really thick size of leather tag. Good quality leather. And then this is the tote from the second box. This is their classic tote. I'm really excited with this one because it almost looks like full brown bag instead of spotted pattern. I know spotty cowhide pattern could be more interesting, but I think full brown color like this is actually more versatile, easier to style with my outfit, I think. And this is really interesting how soft these cowhide are. They have some interesting hair texture. Look at that. Beautiful from certain part of the body that the hair just grow up interestingly. This one I requested 10-inch strap drop and then the button closure. For KMM, when you requested this chain, you do have to pay extra for that. So let's take a look inside. Inside of the tote is the same structure of their regular classic tote. It has this button it has this pocket that also made with this kind of hair on hide leather. Yeah, I'm really excited with today's unboxing. I think these are great and one of a kind tote that you can't get anywhere else because how unique the pattern is, you know. So here is the mini, here is the classic, and I'm really happy that what I received today, and I didn't only worth it because I was wondering if I should get it. I wasn't sure that this would be a good purchase, but now I look at them, I really love them because they are so unique in their own way. Check out KMM if you are interested in purchasing colorful, beautiful, full grain leather totes because they have some interesting tote with colorful leather, and spring is coming. I think it would be a great time to get some. Thanks for unboxing with me today, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!